A lot of times when writing an argumentative text, students come up with really good ideas to help prove their point, but these ideas are often all mixed up and disconnected. Good writers use graphic organizers, such as outlines, to help them plan where their reasons and evidence will go in a piece of argumentative writing. Let's practice using an outline to plan where to put our reasons and evidence. Let's review. In order to understand how an argumentative essay works, it's important to review the difference between claims, reasons, and evidence. A claim is the idea that you're arguing in your writing, or what you want your audience to believe. Reasons are the statements that support your claim, and evidence is the proof that shows your reasons are true. For example, if I wanted to prove that dogs are the best pets, then I might give the reason that they love you no matter what. As evidence, I might give an example, saying that my dog greets me at the door with her tail wagging every time I get home. Stop and practice. Match the 3 statements on your practice sheet to the correct term. Select pause while you complete the exercise, and then select play when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, you should have found that the claim was every middle school student should be required to participate in a sport. Your reason is that sports teach students teamwork, and your evidence should be that students have to work with their teammates to achieve a common goal. I'm writing an argumentative essay. Go ahead and read the paragraph from my essay to yourself. See if you can figure out which statement is my claim. Which sentence tells what am I trying to argue? Underline the claim when you find it. Select pause now to read the paragraph and underline the claim, and then select play again when you finish. If you said that my claim is, vending machines should be removed from schools, you're right. This sentence simply tells my opinion, which I'm trying to convince my reader of with the rest of my reasons. Now you might have noticed that there are a lot of reasons and evidence in this paragraph that seem sort of jumbled together. Each sentence doesn't really have a clear connection to the sentence after it. I know that this is a problem because I'm not sure right now which sentences are my reasons and which are my evidence, and I know my reader won't either. In order to make this claim stronger, I want to organize my ideas so that my reader can clearly see which evidence supports which reasons. This will make them more likely to believe my argument. So the first thing I want to do is ask myself, are any of these sentences related? Let's read the paragraph to find out. Vending machines are unhealthy to have in schools, and they can cost students a lot of money. They usually contain junk food, which is filled with fat and sugar. Okay, let's stop there for a minute. This statement about fat and sugar kind of goes with this first statement about vending machines being unhealthy, since foods that have a lot of fat and sugar are unhealthy. Let's keep reading. Vending machines should be removed from schools. Okay, we already decided that that was our claim, so let's go on. Vending machine food can make it harder for students to concentrate in class. Being around classmates as they crinkle wrappers, pop open soda cans, and spill crumbs and drinks can be annoying. A student who buys from a vending machine every day, for example, might spend $1.50 a day and up to $270 in a school year. All right, let's stop again. Now I've noticed another connection. This statement about how much vending machine snacks can cost is related to this one, saying that they can cost students a lot of money. Now you try it with the next sentence. Finally, eating food from vending machines tends to make students energetic and hyper, which gets them in trouble with their teachers. What other sentence in the paragraph does this statement connect to? Press pause and circle the sentence in the paragraph that the sentence highlighted in blue connects to. Press play again when you're done. You probably noticed that this statement connects to the previous 2 sentences that said that these snacks can make it harder for students to concentrate in class. So now I can see that a lot of my ideas actually are related. My next step is to figure out exactly how they're related, which ones are the reasons and which ones are the evidence. So what I want to do next is back up a step and organize my ideas in an outline. Since we're writing an essay, I know that I need to set it up like this. My claim goes at the top, underneath that is reason 1, and underneath that is evidence 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to continue this pattern since I'm writing an essay with 3 body paragraphs, and I know that I'll need at least 3 reasons. Now that I have my outline template, and I know which of my ideas are related, the next step is to put these ideas into the outline. I'm going to move my claim first onto the claim line, and then my first set of reasons and evidence in yellow onto the reasons and evidence line. Then I'm going to continue this pattern, writing my next reason on the next reason line and the matching evidence below it. See if you can help me finish it. Fill in the rest of the outline on your paper with the last reason and the evidence that goes with it. Press pause while you work and press play again when you're finished. Your last section of the outline should look something like this. And voila! Now we have an outline that shows exactly how my ideas are related. I can clearly see which is my claim, what my reasons are, and what the evidence to support these reasons is. Now, as you can see, there are still a lot of blanks in the outline. I know that I need to come up with more evidence to support these reasons before I'm ready to write or revise my essay. Once I have this outline, putting my ideas into paragraph or essay form is easy. I know exactly where each statement needs to go. Now you try it. Take a look at the paragraph on your practice sheet. The ideas in this paragraph are not organized in any clear way. Following the same steps we just went through, try reorganizing these ideas by placing them into the appropriate place in the outline on your practice sheet. Press pause while you work and play again when you finish. Now we know that writers use outlines to help them plan where their reasons and evidence will go. Outlines help make our writing so much clearer. Try revising a piece of your own persuasive writing by working backwards to place your ideas in an outline.